What's going on, guys? G2 here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a revisit here because it's been about a year since we did our paint job on our AR-10 build, and I wanted to just kind of revisit it and kind of show you the wear and the tear and kind of how it's held up over the past year. If you remember, we did probably like a 6, 7, 8 part spray can, rattle can finish on this, which turned out kind of in a multi-cam-ish pattern, I guess we could say. So I just wanted to kind of go and show you because I got a lot of bad feedback on how rattle can sucks and it doesn't hold up. And spoiler alert, you're wrong. Okay, so let me just break this down now. No magazine in there. The bolt is still in there. Okay, so we're good there. Let's take it apart so it's just a little easier for us to manage. Okay. Now I did go ahead and give this a cleaning as well before, because this has gone through I would say somewhere in the neighborhood of 600 to 700 rounds in the past year. So just to kind of show you what we got, let's pop our guy here. Brass deflector. Only very, very minimal wear on the brass deflector for 750 rounds coming off of that thing. It's starting to wear down, but it has not worn it out. We've got a little bit of wear here. That's probably just from travel, to be perfectly honest, because I don't know what would be hitting that. Up here towards the front of the barrel, now we were running this suppressed, so it ran real dirty. You can see we've got some wear from where we had to be a little extra with our cleaning, I guess. The other side here, we've got some marking here. This is from travel. This was just scratches and just kind of moving it around. And then over here, some more wear marks. But 750 rounds so far for an upper. I think that looks pretty damn good. Now, onto our lower. The lower, it looks even better. So, right here on, this is my weak side, so I would not have any cheek weld on this side. We've got a little wear around the magazine from obviously inserting and ejecting magazines. Our forward and rear takedown pins look great for being cleaned. I would say again too, this gun's been cleaned about probably 4 times. I think I want to call it about 4 trips to the range. So they still look great. This end got a little wear right here and a little bit of wear where our safe and semi would go, but I mean you can even still see the honeycomb kind of 3D pattern we put on this is still showing up. Look at the cheek weld. I'm just gonna want you guys to see this. It's still perfect. The only thing that got a little bit worn, and I think that's to be expected because it's a rubber finish, was the back. Just from rubbing against clothing while you're shooting. Yeah, this is going to be a quick video. I just want to kind of show you guys that Rattle can works pretty good. If you do it and you follow it the way that I instructed you, and what I'll do is I'll link the video. It'll be right here. How to properly rattle can your firearm. And it works on metal surfaces. It works on polymer surfaces. It works, for the most part, on rubberized surfaces as well. So I would challenge a lot of people who spend hundreds of dollars to Cerakote or Duracoat your weapons. This cost us $30 to do this whole thing. If you don't count the decals, it cost us $2, $4, $5, probably $8 in spray paint. So you can do it. It's easy. It lasts 750 rounds, 5 trips to the ranges, and it still looks practically the day it did when we finished, with the exception of some travel wear, which honestly, it has nothing to do with normal wear and tear that would happen while you're shooting it. So if you just take care of your weapons a little better when they're traveling than I do, than just throwing them in the back of the truck, they're probably going to look a little better than mine did. So let me know what you think. Comment below. Make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. I've got more videos coming up. Until next time, treat every weapon as if it was loaded. Make sure that you're practicing safe firearms handling and technique, and educating your friends, family, and your shooting buddies. God bless America. G2 out.